The primary function of the eyelashes is to protect the eyes from environmental dangers, such as dust, debris, and excessive sunlight. The eyelashes also serve aesthetic purposes, as longer eyelashes are a sign of beauty. The Eyelash Enhancement System by AQ Skin Solutions achieves eyelashes that are naturally fuller, longer, and darker, and can help lashes reach their maximum genetic potential growth. The system has been uniquely designed to promote longer, thicker, and darker eyelashes, and is a safe and natural serum formulated to restore their health and vitality. By naturally encouraging the production of the hair matrix, the eyelashes will not fall out after fully growing like other lash growing products. The serum can also be applied to the eyebrows. In order to prevent contamination, the AQ Lash system comes with disposable applicators to avoid multi-dipping, which can invite unwanted microbes when reinserted into the product solution. These applicators have been engineered specifically to allow maximum delivery of the active ingredients directly to the base of the eyelashes. AQ Lash is formulated with patented growth factor technology. These growth factors stimulate the production of the hair matrix during the anagen stage, thereby promoting the growth of the eyelashes. When used daily, the Eyelash Enhancement System by AQ Skin Solutions may help achieve fuller, longer, and more youthful-looking lashes, with less breakage and without unwanted side effects that are commonly associated with other lash-enhancing products.